Right, before we do the unboxing, why don't you consider subscribing, clicking on the bell for notifications and giving this video the thumbs up. And check out the links in the video description, especially if you want to buy one of these. Yes, I know it's a light, and you might be thinking, yeah, why are you doing a video on the light, Yorkie? Well, because they asked me if I'd like to do a video on this, and I said yeah, because I thought I could do with another light actually. I've got one shining on me at the moment, and yeah, it works really well, and it's dimmable, the same as this, and I do believe it's made by NEEWER. Yeah. So yeah, we're doing this little tiny one, this little baby here. This is a NEEWER 9 LED video light panel. Now let me give you a bit of information about it before we do the unboxing. It's dimmable, it's for a DSLR camera, it's soft lighting with a mini desk tripod stand, USB Type-C ports. Its light ranges from 3200K up to 5600K. It's CRI 95 plus. It's perfect for studio photography, video recording, live streaming, and much more. It is the NL-116AI, and it says on here 4000 mAh battery, LCD, 116 LEDs, and it will last, fully charged of course, 1.5 hours. Yeah, right, let's get the unboxing done, shall we? And see exactly what she looks like. Comes with a warning. In order to minimise hazards to health and the environment. That's good. Disposal. That's good. I like that. I'm not going to read that yet. Instructions. Hopefully we don't need the instructions, but it will give you more information about the actual unit itself. And this is the baby here. Comes with some non-edible gel, silica gel. Looks quite nice actually. Little display there. We have her on, and she's on. Oh, turn that off. We have brightness control, colour control. So if I turn it on, turn up the brightness, and it says 4000K. Now, I don't know if you can see that. That's 0. I'm going to do it to 50%. It's very easy to control. Oh, and the battery's fully charged, by the way. And it's still going to change the colour. So the colour will be like going from white to yellowy colour and vice versa. See what I mean? Yeah? It's playing havoc with my camera. Yes. Let's turn that to white. Very easy to control. Very easy. Right. On the bottom we have a tripod mount, and I don't know what that is, but it's definitely a tripod mount now. 2 USBs on the side. Now I'm guessing one is for charging her up, which is probably that one, or maybe even both. And maybe you might be able to run something else off of it, you know, like your phone, charge up your phone, in case your phone gets a bit low. Maybe, just thinking. Let's see what else we've got. This feels like the actual tripod itself. And, oh yeah, it's quite a nice one actually. Yeah, all like that. So the feet should just pop out, like so. Yep, move it out of the way for a second. So that'll go like that. That should just push up. There you go. Yeah, I like the feel of that. That feels like quality. And then you just put this on here, like so. Got that. Screw it in. And voila. Oh, and it says NEEWER on there as well, look. That feels very sturdy. Now, it doesn't have a tilt angle on it, I've just noticed. What else have we got in here? Ah, there you go. Right, let's go back again. What happens when you don't get everything out of the box, Yorkie? You get confused. So does that work? So that will go in there. say like that, do that up nice and tight. Try and get that straight. Yep. So that go like that, and then we'll put this oh, there's a little slot there. I know what that slot's for now. It's for that. So that would go around there like that. It's quite clever actually, because that will stop it turning round, gives you more control. There you go. See, that won't turn around unless you tell it to by undoing this. Now we have tilt. See that? Yeah. So I could have that like that. That like that. Maybe like that. And then I could do that. Where's the on off button? Da, da, da. Yeah, you get the idea, don't you? And I think this is a USB cable. It is. So it has standard USB with Type C connection on the other end. So I don't know what the other one's for. Oh yeah, there. Yes, that's the old type of USB, isn't it? The mini USB. So yeah, let's have a quick look at the actual length of the cable. So it's probably about 1 metre, maybe just under. So a nice little length. And that is it, perfect. Right, we need to test her. So give me a second while I set it all up and see how she looks, or how bright she can be if I take my other light off and use that one. Right, so normally I would be using this little beauty. Let me quickly show you. This is what I normally use. Yeah, it's quite a big one. A lot bigger than the one I've just put up there. And it's made by NEEWER, funny enough. So yeah, that's what I'd normally use, but today, or for this part of the video anyway, I'm going to be using that. I haven't actually turned it on yet, so I'm going to do it right now. It's quite bright actually, but I haven't played about with the settings, you know, to turn it down or up. So I'm going to play about with it right now. Give me a second. So that is full brightness now. What do you think? Do I look very bright? I'm going to turn it down a little bit. What do you think now? Maybe not so bright now. Maybe I need to move it a bit closer. I don't know. I haven't watched the video yet, but it looks okay. And about there, I think. Yeah, about there. So what I've decided to do, because I do actually like this light, I am going to be using it permanently, but not there. I have a camera that looks down, and I'm going to fix it to that one up there. So it's looking down on whatever product I'm doing on my desk. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Right, so what do you think? I've gone back to the other light now, so that's the one shining at me, but the new light I put up there, above me. And that's on at the moment, so it's perfect for shining down actually on my desk, like I said earlier. And yeah, very pleased with it. And also I've rigged it up so it's got permanent power. So it's got USB running from somewhere straight into it, giving it permanent power. So I ain't got to worry about, you know, charging it up every, you know, few days or whatever. It is permanently charged. So with that, yeah, it gets my thumbs up. Like I said, I'm going to be using it all the time. Hopefully it gets your thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? And don't forget, check out the links in the video description in case you want to buy that light or one of NEEWER's other products, like the light I'm using behind the camera right now. So with that, you know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and have a nice day. Thanks very much for watching.